Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the dictionaries in Python. What are the dictionaries? Dictionaries are basically keyword values. It acts like array, but it have keys and the values. It stores multiple data types of data, like string, list, multiple dictionaries, multiple integers, floats, etc. Now I am going to create a dictionary. G is equal to, it is always written in curly braces, like curly braces, enter, and we write keys and the values. Remember, always you should always write keys in single or double quote, like this, name, and then we put a colon, and then we write the value. Right side, on the right side of the column we write the value, and the left side of the column we write the keys, like same as it is like variables. Well, on the left side of the equal we write variable, and the right side of the equal we write value. Same as it is, I write the name like John, and comma, the next value, the next key value, like is age, colon, and age value. Now age value will be the integer value, like this. Okay, now this is a dictionary. Let me check the type of the D. You can see it is a dictionary, dict type dictionary. Okay, now we have some functions, built-in functions of the dictionary, like clear, copy, form key, get, items. Item shows the items of the total items of the dictionary, which are name John, one item, age 21, second item. Same, you can see that there are two items. And same as it is the other functions. Keys shows only keys of the dictionary, which are name and age. The next one is pop. It removes the ending item, the last item from the dictionary. Pop item, we give the key name and it removes the key. Okay, same as it is update and values shows the values which are John and 21. Okay, so these are the values, these are the dictionary values, keys and values. This is a basic type of dictionary. Now I am going to create a data frame. What is data frame? Data frame means structure the data in call rows and columns, like a table. Okay, for that we have to import pandas, like this, import pandas as pd. Pd is object of the pandas. You can change on your own. If you want to make it like p only, then it will okay. I use as pd. After that, pd dot, its function is data frame, then input the d as a parameter of the data frame, then it will create a dictionary. But remember, it will not create the dictionary of this, because dictionary have data frame have values in a list. So that's why we have to create values in the list. I am going to create another dictionary, which is dc. I have names in the list, like John, Alice. Two names, I'm going to input the two names and the two ages in the single or double quote. Age in the list, age will be in the list 21, 20. Then this dictionary is created. Now I can create the data frame of that dictionary, dc. Now you can see here the key values are the name of the columns, and the values of from the list are in the column values. Okay, are in different rows. I can also save that data frame into a variable, which is data frame df. Now it's the data frame. Data frame have keys, name and age, and the values John, Alice, age values 21 and 20. So this is the basic data frame. This is the use of the dictionary in the data frame.